Hello everybody! If you want to see all the story's content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 797, The Clockwork Heart. Upper Intermediate. Elara lived in a city powered by gears and steam, where the air hummed with constant motion. She was a watchmaker, her small workshop filled with the intricate tick-tock of 100 timepieces. Unlike her peers, Elara found more joy in the delicate internal mechanisms than in the polished faces or ornate hands. Her greatest ambition was to build a clockwork heart, a device that could mimic life itself. People often dismissed her idea as foolish, but she persisted, driven by an unyielding curiosity. For years, Elara toiled, sketching designs, experimenting with microscopic springs and impossibly fine cogs. Her fingers, usually steady, sometimes trembled from the strain. She spent her days poring over forgotten treatises on automata and alchemy, seeking the elusive spark that would animate her creation. The city's perpetual twilight, filtered through steam-grimed windows, often found her still at her workbench, a single lamp illuminating her focused face. One blustery evening, as a storm raged outside, rattling the panes of her workshop, Elara made a breakthrough. A unique arrangement of crystal conductors and an almost imperceptible vibratory coil seemed to resonate with a strange energy. She carefully assembled the final pieces, her breath held tight in her chest. With silver tweezers, she placed the miniature apparatus into a carefully crafted chest of polished brass and glass. She activated it with a small golden key. For a moment, nothing happened. Then a faint, rhythmic pulse began, a soft beat that grew steadier, stronger. The brass chest warmed beneath her fingertips. It wasn't a living heart, not truly, but it replicated the rhythm and warmth with astonishing precision. A gentle, soft light emanated from within, casting flickering shadows on the walls. Elara stared, tears blurring her vision. She had done it. She had captured the essence of life's rhythm in metal and crystal. Her clockwork heart pulsed softly, a testament to her dedication and belief. It was a beautiful, wondrous thing, a mechanical marvel born of impossible dreams. She knew then that its purpose wasn't to replace life, but to celebrate its intricate, delicate beat, a constant reminder of the magic hidden in every tick of time. If you learned a new word today, please make sure to subscribe so we can practice together again tomorrow. Vocabulary notes. Toiled, verb. Definition: to work extremely hard or incessantly, often over a long period and with difficulty. It implies a sense of effort and struggle. Example: for years, Elara toiled, sketching designs, experimenting with microscopic springs and impossibly fine cogs. Similar words: labored, slaved, drudged, worked diligently, exerted oneself, struggled. Example in a sentence: the young artist toiled for months on her masterpiece, meticulously adding every brushstroke. Intricate, adjective. Definition: very complicated or detailed, having many interconnected parts or elements. Example: her small workshop filled with the intricate tick-tock of 100 timepieces. Also applies to intricate mechanisms later in the story. Similar words: complex, elaborate, convoluted, detailed, sophisticated, delicate. Example in a sentence: the antique clock had an intricate design, making it a challenge to repair. Unwavering, adjective. Definition: not wavering, steady, firm or resolute, not changing or becoming weaker. Example, but she persisted, driven by an unwavering curiosity. This is a slight rephrasing of unyielding from the story, which means the same thing and is a great synonym. Similar words: resolute, steadfast, firm, determined, persistent, steady, unyielding. Example in a sentence: despite the many setbacks, her unwavering commitment to her goal never faltered. Pouring, verb present participle. Definition: being deeply absorbed in reading or studying something, examining something intently. It suggests close attention and careful scrutiny. Example, she spent her days poring over forgotten treatises on automata and alchemy. Similar words: studying, scrutinizing, examining, engrossed in, contemplating, delving into. Example in a sentence: he spent hours poring over the ancient maps, trying to find the hidden treasure. Emanated, verb past tense. Definition: issued or spread out from a source, originated or came from. It often refers to light, sound, smell, or abstract qualities. Example, a gentle, soft light emanated from within, casting flickering shadows on the walls. Similar words: issued, radiated, flowed, originated, sprang, discharged, emitted. Example in a sentence: a strange, sweet scent emanated from the blooming flowers in the garden. Story written by Meta. Image created by onemin.ai. To read, see all the story's content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. CC Music, drifting at 432 Hz, Unicorn Heads.